A dive into blue jokes. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, blue joke. Ever heard of it? Whether you're hearing it for the first time or just want a deeper understanding, we've got you covered. A blue joke refers to a joke or remark that is considered to be slightly rude or offensive, usually because it's related to sex. It's a term used in the English language to describe humor that's a bit risqué or naughty. The term blue, in this context, doesn't have anything to do with the color itself but rather hints at content that might make some people blush. You might be wondering, why use the word blue? Historically, blue has been associated with various moods or expressions in English. For instance, you might have heard of feeling blue, which means feeling sad or depressed. In the case of blue joke, the term has its roots in old vaudeville traditions where blue material was considered off-color or risqué. To help you grasp its usage better, here are some example sentences. 1. She always tells a blue joke at parties, so be prepared. 2. I didn't expect such a blue joke from him. 3. The comedian's set was filled with blue jokes, which wasn't to everyone's taste. Now, you're familiar with the term blue joke and its connotations in the English language. Remember, context is crucial. It's always good to know your audience before sharing a blue joke. We hope this explanation clarified things for you. Keep learning and exploring the nuances of English, and see you in the next video.